Two titans of website building face off. Which platform truly stands out? On one side, the polished, design-driven Squarespace. On the other, the easy-to-use, flexible Weebly. We're testing them in real-world scenarios that matter most. Features, customization, pricing, ease of use, and more. Forget the jargon. We're diving straight into what actually makes a difference. Every category gets scored, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The winner might just surprise you. Let's get started. Okay, real quick, here's the game plan. We're going to hit all the big stuff, price, design, and templates, how easy each one is to use, e-commerce options, SEO and growth tools, plus integrations and apps. Basically, everything that actually matters when you're picking a site builder. First up, money. So, if price is your top concern, Weebly's got a free plan that honestly is super tempting for anyone on a budget. Their paid plans are also some of the most affordable out there. But, and it's a big but, Squarespace goes all in on premium features, which does push the price up. No free lunch here, but you do get an actual free trial to play around with. I mean, if you're penny pinching, Weebly sort of runs away with this one. But Squarespace does have its perks if you want more out of your builder. Now, let's talk design. Oh man, Squarespace is kind of famous for their templates. Like, we're talking award-winning level. They look stunning, and you can customize the heck out of them if you're willing to learn the ropes. It can feel a little intimidating at first, honestly. Meanwhile, Weebly keeps it simple with an easy drag-and-drop thing and some good-looking templates, but they don't really make you go wow. So if design's your jam, Squarespace takes it, hands down. Alright, switching gears to how easy these are to use. Weebly is it's a breeze. You drag, you drop, you're basically done. The layout just makes sense, especially if you're a total beginner. Squarespace has that modern, slick look, and onboarding is helpful, but once you dig a little deeper, it can feel more complicated than it needs to be. So for true ease, Weebly's the one to beat here. Oh, and here's something cool I just found out. Did you know Squarespace actually started as a project in a college dorm room? Like, no joke, talk about a glow-up. On to e-commerce. So, Squarespace here is coming in hot with some advanced options. Serious inventory management, coupons, shipping integrations, the works. Only catch? You're not selling for free, ever. Weebly is more basic, but honestly, if you just want a simple shop, it gets the job done. Plus, it plays nicely with Square for payments. But if you really want to grow your online store, Squarespace snags this round. Next up, SEO and, helping your site actually get seen. Squarespace is loaded with marketing tools and SEO controls you can tweak till the cows come home. Some of the fancier stuff does want you to pay a bit more, but it's all there. Weebly, on the other hand, keeps it simple great if you just want the basics, but if ranking high really matters, it's kind of, meh. Squarespace totally edges out here. And finally, integrations and apps. Squarespace? Tons of third-party options. Seriously, their app store is impressive. Though, be warned, some of the more interesting integrations might have you asking your developer friend for help. Weebly's App Center covers the essentials, and obviously it's tight with Square, but you'll notice there aren't as many options on the table. Squarespace is the clear winner if you want to hook your site up with all kinds of extras. Right, that was a lot, right? Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Visualizing it, Squarespace really spreads out on design, e-commerce, SEO, and integrations, but Weebly's got those super high marks on price and how easy it is to use. It's close in a couple of spots, but a pretty clear split elsewhere. So here's where I land. If you're going for maximum design power and you want to really customize your site or run a legit online business, Squarespace just brings more to the table. But if you're a beginner or you need something super affordable and dead simple, Weebly's your best bet. Personally, I think most folks who obsess over how their site looks are going to end up loving Squarespace. But hey, sometimes you just need fast and cheap, and Weebly totally delivers. If you found this helpful and you want more no-nonsense reviews or breakdowns just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming up next.